Now if you own the OnePlus Nerd 300 and you've been trying to unlock the phone, and every time you try and do you fail because you don't know the password or the pattern on the phone, so this video will be for you. This is Variety Stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. Now doing hard reset, similar process of doing factory reset, but you're not able to unlock the phone where you can go to settings and then reset. So we need to do it in a different way. But I want to pay your attention. Doing hard reset means you're going to lose everything on your phone. So that's just something you need to put in your account. And also if you have a Gmail that's already synced, you are required to use the same Gmail account to bypass the Google activation screen. Now first we need to shut the phone off. To do this, we need to press the power and the volume up together and just hold both till we get this power off. So go ahead and tap here and make sure your phone is completely off. I would highly recommend wait maybe 10-15 seconds before you start. The second step will be we need to press the volume down and the power key, and what we need to do here, we need to press both together and we have to count 5. So let's just go ahead, count 5 seconds and do it. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5, then release from the power, volume down together. So what you need to do, you need to press power, volume down, count to 5, and then release both at the same time. Now you're gonna get this menu, choose the language. I'm gonna choose English, and then we're gonna have 3 more options: wipe data, reboot, power off. So if I don't want to do anything, I just turn the phone off or reboot, but I need to do wipe data, and touch works as you guys can see, and then format data. Now it's going to ask you to enter a code, and this code will be here. So in this phone it will be 2010. Probably you're going to have a different code. Go ahead and hit format, and the phone might take a few minutes till it completes. Now it's formatted. Now the phone will reboot and will go back as the factory. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you in the next one.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta